This is a bendable tripod that I bought from my iPhone. The cool thing about this tripod is its flexibility, and you're able to actually wrap these legs around different surfaces. You can even hang it from a tree if you're out in the park. It comes with not only the phone attachment, also comes with a GoPro attachment and a wireless remote. The phone attachment for this has two separate places where you can attach it to the tripod. One here for vertical, and then another one on the bottom for horizontal. Now I do have a bit of a problem with this particular phone attachment, the one that comes with this bendable tripod. I have an Otterbox for my phone, and the space on here is a little narrow, so trying to put my Otterbox in here and attach kind of almost doesn't fit, and it wants to pop out. Okay, so it's not that secure with this phone attachment that comes with the tripod itself. Luckily, I do have a Joby phone attachment, and that works out great. You just screw that on, and it's got more space in the grip area. So even with the Otterbox on my phone, the Joby attachment works really well. So you might want to consider picking one of those up along with this tripod. It is pretty compact, so you can put it in your backpack, take it with you. This little button here is a release for this attachment, so you can take that out, and that comes right out. And then to put it back, you just simply click it back in. I used to have a use-on selfie stick. Before I talk about that real quick, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. The use-on selfie stick worked really well until one day I had the legs open, and I sat down, and it compressed against my body and broke off one of the legs. And so this is how I wound up purchasing this bendable tripod. The one thing that I liked a lot better about the use-on selfie stick was that it extended, right? This one, the height, the maximum height is probably about right there, and like it's not even as tall as the box. Okay, so the use-on selfie stick went up to about here, but the use-on selfie stick was not bendable, so you couldn't, attach it, wrap it around things like this. Okay, will it stay on the box? All right, just like that. So this is a pretty cool feature. I'll probably wind up using this mostly for my GoPro camera, and I'll most likely invest in another use-on selfie stick. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can go and check out this tripod if you like, as well as the Joby phone attachment. I'll leave a link for that as well. And if you'd like to see a video review on the use-on selfie stick, you should check that out right here, and I'll see you over there.